Kia ora, my cuzzies. It's me, Buzz the Cuz, back at it again on another amazing adventure. Today, I'm at Kelly Tarleton's, and I'm off to meet some of the children of Tangaroa. Hoake tātou. That's a stingray. Look, this is Molly. She's 45 years old. She's actually one of the oldest creatures here. Kia ora. Can you see the tiger shark? Pretty cool, huh? Yeah. Oh, did you know sharks have an endless supply of teeth? Over a lifetime, they can have between 20 and 30,000 teeth. That's heaps. Come on. Check out all these beautiful ika, my cuzzies. They're trevally. Hello. Hello. Check it out, it's a turtle. It's waving at me. Cheer, cuz. Come back, come back. Whoa, check out this ginormous koura. Oh, we're crustaceans. Look, I'm a crayfish. And now I'm my whike. Ooh. Check out this beautiful tuna. I'm gonna be your best friend. Tuna and Buzz back at it again on another amazing adventure. Today, we're escaping. Wow, it's been such an awesome day today, cuzzies. Oh, I've seen a tuna, I've seen a mako, I've seen a whai, and I've even seen a whike. I'm off to find a sea giraffe. Ka kite anō.